Good morning, kids. This is Grandma Freeman. Good morning, kids. This is Grandma Freeman. This is a beautiful summer morning. The sun is shining, the grass is green, the birds are singing. It's just lovely. Well, this morning, I am planning to fix sheet pan pancakes. And these are the ingredients that I'm going to use. I found a recipe in this little booklet, and this booklet is from Kroger. They sent it to me. Oh, that looks good too. And I found this recipe in here, sheet pan pancakes. And if you want to get a screenshot, these are the ingredients. Did you get that? Okay. And these are the preparation instructions. Okay. I have this grainberry pancake mix, and this is whole grain, whole wheat, and it is just wonderful. It's a very finely ground, just like cake flour. So I'm using that. I'm not sure how much I have, but if I have 2 cups, then I will use 2 eggs, 2 cups of milk, and 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. Have it right there. And a tablespoon of baking powder, a half teaspoon of salt. Oh, I forgot to put that out. I'll remember that when I do it. And 4 tablespoons of butter, and I have my butter right in there. And a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And this is pure vanilla extract. And it calls for all of the, oh, that looks so good, strawberries and chocolate chips. What else? Sliced bananas. It says a cup of KO bittersweet chocolate morsels. I'm not going to use that. That's in there too. That's delicious. But what I do have on hand are some blueberries. So I'm going to add more than a half a cup of blueberries. I'll probably add at least 1 or 2 cups. I think there's 2 cups there. I'll probably add all of that to make up for the loss of the other ingredients. So that's what I'm getting ready to mix up in this bowl. And I have everything out except the salt, and I'll put that out in a moment. So, and I'll get back with you later on with a picture of the finished dish or product, which I'm not going to sell. I'm going to eat for my breakfasts for probably the next week. And I want to read something to you that I wrote. So I'm going to focus on the ingredients over here if I can hold it still. And this is called Break 5 Habits, and this is from the Mayo Clinic Diet book. Okay, so, well, here, it's easier for me to focus. See the green grass? It's beautiful outside. Okay, so you want to fit into those tight-fitting jeans, but every time you try them on, you can't quite fasten the top button. Are you thinking about dieting? Losing a few pounds will make you look and feel better, and then you will be able to wear those tight-fitting jeans again. Well, I'm getting close. As you begin a weight loss program, cutting carbs and sugar, you will feel you are on the right track. However, after a week or 2, temptation takes hold of you. Just a few chips won't make any difference. That's true, although you won't stop at a few chips. Before you think twice, you ate the whole bag of chips. You blew your diet, and then you are looking into the freezer for ice cream. Temptation wins again. I know because I've been there and done that. The Mayo Clinic Diet may be able to help you through those moments of temptation. You have a plan to break 5 habits. Break habit number 1, no TV while eating. You may watch TV during the time you exercise. Turn off the TV at mealtime. Eat at the kitchen table. Chew and savor every bit of your food. Okay. Break habit number 2, no sugar. Only the sugar in natural fruits. Give up sugar and desserts altogether. Well, 2 tablespoons in that amount of flour is not going to count for much, but I will count it. Break habit number 1, no smoking. Oh, I'm sorry. No snacking. Well, no smoking. No snacking except for vegetables and fruit. My go-to are carrots and celery sticks or fruit. Habit number 4 to break is eat less meat and dairy. Only lean meat the size of a deck of cards and low-fat dairy. Break habit number 5, no eating in restaurants unless the meal fits the program. Eating at home with home-cooked meals will lower your food budget as well as your weight. Break the chains of temptation, and then your weight loss goals will win out over urges to overeat. If you become tempted and give in to temptations, don't give up. Get right back onto your diet plan. Matthew 26, verse 41. Watch and pray lest you enter into temptation. The spirit indeed is willing, but the flesh is weak. Okay, kids, I hope that's a word of wisdom to you. You can enjoy your food without overeating. Just lower the amount of food you eat and try to not eat sugar, or if you do, if it's in a recipe, eat less. And just eat a small portion for breakfast. This is a breakfast that I'm making. This is a sheet pan pancake, and I'm going to section it off so I have it for breakfast for the next few days. Okay, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye now.